How to add walkie-talkie effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Select your audio like this by clicking double click and click here on effect and go down to this equalization effect. After you click on equalization, now you will have this page right here. Click on select curve and go down to walkie-talkie and repeat it from here and click play. How to media, this is just a test audio. As you can see, it's changed to walkie-talkie effect. I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like this one. And you can also check our other Audacity videos if you are a beginner on this program. So see you later, and thank you so much.